I'd be lying to the world if I told anyone I didn't miss you. Way more than I can admit to. Sometimes when the pain hits, I just drive by your crib and I wonder if there's someone there with you. I just wanna know, does he hold you the way I did? Talk about the future in a brand new crib. Talk about the different names you would name our kid. Then fall asleep in my arms with a goodnight kiss. Cause right now, nah, I don't feel the same. Lately I've been drinking just to cover up the pain. All my friends telling me that I'ma be okay, but I don't think this feeling's ever gonna go away. But do you ever check on me like I check on you? Stay awake late at night thinking of us two. Thinking about the one day we would say I do, but don't say it was too good to be true. It was gonna be you and me, happy as can be. Out in DC, penthouse, 1223, buying everything you want, giving everything you need. Almost spend 100 grand on a damn wedding ring. Cause I knew deep down I just wanna settle down. Knew that I was happier whenever you were around. We would order food and you sit up on the ground. Then we watch a couple movies till we're sleeping on my couch. Man, I miss that, cause I was done with the clubs, done with the girls, I was done with the drugs. Only 2 women in my life I ever loved. Yeah, I loved Isabella, but to me you were the one. But you broke what we had and you broke all my trust. And you broke me in half and you broke all my love. I was perfect for you, you were perfect for me. But I guess perfect ain't enough.
It's a 2:45 and I can't fall asleep. Cause I just can't believe that you're not here with me. But you took me for granted, I had no choice but to leave. And I swear it hurts